Kick off your Monday with a positive market update as Nifty bulls seek to gain momentum following strong job numbers from the US. With Dow Jones hitting record highs and expectations of a Fed rate cut, will this optimism signal a bullish trend? We'll also discuss the impact of rising crude oil prices and what to watch for in the upcoming RBI policy meeting. Sentiments are turning positive this Monday morning as Nifty bulls will aim to take over the positive baton from a strong close at Wall Street in Friday's trade. Hopefully, good news stays as good news all through the trading session. Dow Jones scaled fresh record highs in Friday's trade after strong September jobs report confirms that the US economy is unlikely to fall off a cliff or get into recession. The US added 254,000 new jobs in September, easily outpacing economists' estimate for the addition of 150,000 positions. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate fell to 4.1% from 4.2%. According to CME Group's FedWatch tool, futures traders are now pricing in a 99% chance the Fed will cut rates by a quarter percentage point at its November meeting. But on bullish Nifty traders' mind shall be the continued turmoil in the Middle East. That brings us to the big question, will the morning optimism be the start of a new bullish trend or just a knee-jerk reaction? Keep an eye on crude oil futures which are now at $74.40 per barrel, the highest level in 5 weeks, amid worries about potential supply disruptions in the Middle East. Global cues are positive. In Friday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 9897 crores while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 8905 crores. Sentiments shall improve as bulls will aim to take over. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating slight oversold technical conditions. FANO September month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,700 to 26,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index have spiked to 14.12 levels. Nifty PCR, 31st October, is at 1.10 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th October, is at 0.88. Nifty outlook, Nifty bulls will aim to regroup. Nifty, CMP to 5015. Biggest intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 24,901 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 25,601 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24950 and 25600. Bias for the day is neutral positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 51462. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 51,101 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,601 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,005 to 100. Bias for the day is negative. The trading theme shall revolve around expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut rates by a 25 basis point rate cut in the November meeting. The street is now hoping for a follow-up jumbo rate cut from the Federal Reserve. Bottom line, bets seen increasing that the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, could take over the theme of slashing interest rates from the Federal Reserve. So, all bullish eyes on RBI policy meet outcome to be wired on 9th October.